Right, we're going to try and do exercise 18.01 out of the Alpha textbook, and it's about making tables which you can make coordinates for. Remember, coordinates here, coordinates, oopsie, that's the wrong one. Okay, coordinates come in like you put the x value first and the y value second, and it's written that just here. Okay, that the coordinates are x and y. So what you're trying to do is perform coordinates. In this case, the rule is y equals 3 times by the x value. Okay, so in English, the y value is 3 times the x value. So let's look at the first one. It's done for you. X is -2, so the formula says y equals 3 times by x. So 3 times by that x value is -2. Calculate that and you get the y value. Okay, that's how the rule works. And it gives you -6, so your coordinates is x is -2, y is -6. Let's try the next one. Okay, so you've got, I'm just going to try it on the screen. So it's going to go 3 times by the x value. The x value in this case happens to be -1. So we're going to write -1 in here. Okay, and that's going to give us -3. So that would give us the x value is -1 and the y value is -3. So the x value is -1 here and the y value is -3, and we put them here. So let's try the next one. So that would be 3, because its rule is 3 times the x value. The x value is 0, so that gives me an answer of 0. So my coordinates will be x is 0 and y is also 0 in this case. For the next one, x is +1 here. So it's 3 times the x value, which is 1, and that gives me 3. So my coordinates will be 1 and 3. And you should be able to do this one down here. I'll just do it quickly for you. 3 times the x value, which is 2, which is 6, and that's the point 2, 6. And we should pause and try and do the next one yourself. Pause now. Okay, here we go, and we'll just do the answer for this last one. 3 times 3, which gives you 9, which is the coordinates 3 and 9. And if you put those onto a graph, they should sort of make dots on a sort of straight line. I'll just do the next two in this next number 2. 2a, copy and complete this table for y equals x plus 4. Your rule is y equals the x value plus 4. So let's do the first one that they've done here. They've taken -2 as x, so the x is -2 plus 4, which gives you 2. So that's x is -2, y is 2. And the next one I'll do for you, you're supposed to take the x value, which is -1 in this case, and then add the 4 to it, which gives you +3. So that gives you -1, +3. And you should be able to continue the rest of that, and the answers are in the textbook. Right, I'll just go back to question 1. You're supposed to plot the coordinates from the table onto a graph. So you'll be putting a graph that goes pretty much like this. Whoopsies, that's a little bit wobbly. And I'm not going to fit them all in, but so we'll just do a start for you. So this is your x values, and that is your y values. Okay, and I'm just going to go 1, 2, I'll just put a 2 in and a 4, 2 there, and I'll go -2 there, and I'll go -2 there. Okay, putting these values in, whoopsies. Putting these values in, you get -2, -6, which I can't stick in, -1, -3, which is about there somewhere, and then you've got 0, 0, which is there, and you've got 1, 3, which is about there. And if you put them all on, these points should come out to be pretty much, if you take that one, and this one down here, they should be pretty much a straight line. But that's really poorly drawn. But hey, we know what we're doing.